Hello, friends. Key Life once again welcomes you to the world of medicine free healing.
नमस्ते दोस्तों। आज की लाइव में वापस एक बार आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज जानते हैं कि हम एनर्जी के माध्यम से कैसे हमारा जीवन बहुत सुंदर कर सकते हैं। जब भी हमें लो एनर्जी फील होता है, बहुत डिप्रेशन में रहते हैं, हमें वीकनेस आती है, तब ये एनर्जी पॉइंट्स हमको बहुत जादुई तरीके से हमको बहुत एनर्जेटिक फील कराते हैं। बस सिंपल सी चीज है, बहुत सिंपल सी लेकिन बहुत अद्भुत है। आपको या तो फिर अपने हाथ पर या तो फिर सिंपल एक उंगली पर ये एनर्जी पॉइंट्स बनाने हैं और फिर इसकी जादू देखिए कैसे काम करते हैं ये।
In today's hectic routine, let's see how we can boost up our immune system and our energy levels through this simple color therapy. These are simple little red color dots which you can make on your palm or either any of your fingers, which will help you to boost up your energy and your immune. So let's see how we can do it.
Now we'll see the location of the energy points. You just need a red color sketch pen for this. It should not be permanent marker, normal red color sketch pen. Now in between these two fingers, this is the first point. Just below the wrist crease, this is the second point. The center of the wrist crease, just below the wrist crease. Now if you imagine a line touching these 2 points, exactly at the center is our third point. Here. Now the center point and the first point, 1/3 from the first point is our fourth point. Similarly, center point and the wrist point, 1/3 from the wrist point is our fifth point. Now if you divide this thumb into half, this at the base of the thumb, this is the sixth point. And if you draw one line from thumb base to the wrist crease point, center exact half is our seventh point. So these are the 7 energy points on the palm. Similarly, you can have energy points on the single finger also. Exactly half of this is the first joint center, this is the second joint center, and this is the third joint center. These are the 3 energy points. Now in between these 2 points, 1 point here, fourth point, 1 point here, this is fifth point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth point is here on this bony part. So these 6 energy points on the finger system, and these are 7 energy points on the palm. तो इसी प्रकार आपके हाथ पर या एक सिंपल उंगली पर ये पॉइंट लगा के हम कैसे इसको एनर्जी बढ़ा सकते हैं ये आपने देखा। अभी ये ध्यान में रखिए कि सूर्योदय से सूर्यास्त तक ही इसको रखना है, उसके बाद निकाल देना है। और कोई भी हाइपर कंडीशन जैसे हाई एनर्जी कंडीशंस, बहुत हाई बीपी है या बहुत ज़्यादा हाई फीवर है, इसी कंडीशन में इसको ना लगाए।
The colors work very well from sunrise to sunset. So do remember to wash off your hands with sunset. Another thing, do not use them in any excessive conditions like high BP or high temperatures. And most important of all, the smile. This is what is going to help you to promote all your energy levels and your immune system along with these red color dots. So take care.